Hey, have you ever wondered how to make your documents look consistent and branded? Well, I've got a game changer for you: text styles. Party popper. Text styles are like magic wands that instantly transform your boring documents into professional-looking masterpieces. Dizzy sparkles. Here's how it works. Instead of manually formatting each heading or paragraph, you can create text styles that define the font, size, color, and spacing. Once you've set up your styles, applying them is as easy as a single click. Computer mouse. Not only does this save you time, but it also ensures that your documents have a cohesive and branded look. Whether you're creating a report, a presentation, or even a resume, using text styles will make you stand out from the crowd. Page facing up. But wait, there's more. Text styles also allow you to make quick changes across your entire document. Say goodbye to the tedious task of manually updating every heading or paragraph. With just a few clicks, you can update the font, size, or color of all your text styles in one go. Counterclockwise arrows button. So, if you want to create documents that are consistent, professional, and branded, start using text styles today. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Flexed biceps. Now go out there and make your documents shine. Sparkles briefcase.